Good morning to all. Welcome back to Google Classroom. In this session, we have to discuss about exercise 8.1, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Exercise 8.1, question number 3. If sin A equal 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Sin A is given as 3 by 4. Then calculate cos A and tan A. According to the question, it is given that the trigonometric ratio sin A equal 3 by 4. And we have to find the values of cos A and tan A. Okay, sin A is given as 3 by 4 and we have to find the values of cos A and tan A. Okay, so first we can draw a right triangle A, B, C, right angled at B. Right angled at B. Then here it is given that sin A. Sin A means what? Opposite side by hypotenuse. The side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Okay. So we can write sin A equal side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. In short, we can write opposite side by hypotenuse. This is given as 3 by 4. Then from the figure we get side opposite to angle A is BC and hypotenuse is AC. So this is equal 3 by 4. This is not the actual value, this is only the ratio. So when the ratio is given, then how we will get the actual value? By multiplying them by common term. So we can write that common term as K. So BC will be equal 3K and AC will be equal 4K. So we can substitute that values here, BC 3K and AC 4K. Okay. Then as the above questions, we can find the unknown side, that AB we have to find. By which property we can find this? By Pythagoras property. Okay, by the Pythagoras property we get AC square equal AB square plus BC square. Hypotenuse square equal base square plus altitude square. But we have to find AB. So we can rewrite it as AB square equal AC square minus BC square. Then we can substitute the values. AC is 4K, so 4K square minus BC equal 3K, so 3K square. This is equal 16K square minus 9K square. 16 minus 9 is 7, so 7K square. Now AB square equal 7K square. So AB equal root 7K square equal root 7K. Okay, this we have to mention in the figure. AB equal root 7K, root 7K. Then we have to find cos A and tan A. Cos A means side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. And tan A is side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. So first we can find cos A, side adjacent to angle A by hypotenuse. Side adjacent to angle A we get from the figure as what? AB. So AB by hypotenuse is side opposite to angle B, that right angle, that is AC. So AB we got as root 7K and AC we take as 4K. Now this K and K we can cut. So what is the answer? Root 7 by 4. Root 7 by 4. This is cos A. Similarly, we have to find tan A. Tan A means what? Side opposite to angle A by side adjacent to angle A. Side opposite to angle A is BC. Side adjacent to angle A is AB. BC we took as 3K and AB we got as root 7K. Now this K and K will be cancelled. So the answer will be 3 by root 7. Cos A equal root 7 by 4. Tan A equal 3 by root 7. Question number 4. Given 15 cot A equal 8. Find sin A and sec A. 15 cot A equal 8. Then find sin A and sec A. In this question it is given that 15 cot A equal 8 and we have to find sin A and sec A. We have to find sin A and sec A. Okay, these two values we have to find. But here it is given that 15 cot A equal 8. So this we can write as cot A equal 8 by 15. Just transpose this 15 to right side. So cot A equal 8 by 15. This is the form same as the last question. Okay. So for that we can draw a right triangle first. Right triangle ABC which is right angled at B. Okay. Then it is given that cot A. So cot means what? Reciprocal of tan. That is side adjacent to angle A by side opposite to angle A. Okay. So here cot A equal side adjacent. So adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, you can write it as full form. That means side adjacent to angle A by side opposite to angle A. This is given as 8 by 15. So adjacent side is AB, then opposite is BC. So AB by BC equal 8 by 15. So same as the last question, this is only the ratio. So the actual value AB equal 8K and BC equal 15K. That we have to mention in the figure. AB equal 8K, BC equal 15K. Then we have to find the third side. That means here it is hypotenuse. So we can use Pythagoras property. AC square equal AB square plus BC square. Here we have to find the hypotenuse itself. So we can substitute these two values here. So 8K the whole square plus 15K the whole square. 8K square means 64K square. 15K square means 225K square. So this is equal 289K square. So what is AC? Root of 289K square. That is equal root 289 means 17. So root K square is K. You should study the square up to 20. 20 square. Up to 20 square you should study by heart. Okay. Then easily you can find out. Otherwise you want to do it by long division method or prime factorization method. Okay. So here we got AC equals 17K. So that we should mention in the figure. So this is equal 17K. Then we have to find sin A and sec A. So sin A means what? Side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. Then sec is just reciprocal of cos. That means hypotenuse by adjacent. Hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle A. Okay. So sin A equal side opposite to angle A by hypotenuse. that is equal. Side opposite to angle A is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. So we get the value BC is 15K by AC is 17K. Now this K and K will be cancelled. So the answer is 15 by 17. So sin A equal 15 by 17. Then we have to find sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of cos. That means hypotenuse by side adjacent to angle A. So this is equal, hypotenuse is AC by side adjacent to angle A is AB. So this is equal, AC we got as 17K, AB is what? 8K. Okay. So K and K will be cancelled. Then what we will get? 17 by 8. So sec is 17 by 8 and sin is 15 by 17.